hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dixie. I hope you all are having a beautiful day, because I am right now. I am super excited to share with you this video, this amazing project that I've been working on for the past week. As you can see, I can't stop playing with my hair. It looks beautiful. This is the project I've been working on for the past week. Yeah, this. It looks like I braided my hair, but it's actually a wig. As you can see, it is a wig. When you look at it in person, it actually looks like my own hair. Really, it doesn't look like a wig. I'll turn around, I'll get up and show you. I'll turn around to see the back. You cannot tell this is a wig, seriously. It is beautiful. I made this wig with a 13 by 6 closure that I got from Amazon, and with a wig net on the back, which you will see in the video. I used the thick one though, which the braid will not hang or sag when you're making them, because the lighter ones, the lighter nets, when you make them, these braids can be a little bit, it's not heavy at all. This is not heavy at all, but sometimes when you do braids and you buy the nets, the lighter nets, when you braid it, it will hang, but the thicker ones, they can handle, really, it will stay put. But before I go any further and share with you my excitement, as you can see, the office is still done. I hang the TV, which I'll share with you all the video, and I also made a beautiful wallpaper on the side of the salon area here. As you all know, in my channel, I do renovation, painting, painting furniture, which is my side hustle, but braiding and hairstyling is my job. That's what I do as a stay-home mom, to earn a little bit to help the family too. So I have a lot in my plate. So as I have time, that's when I make these projects and share with you all these videos. As you can tell, in my channel, I don't post that much videos because, like I said, there's a lot I've been doing at home, and having this YouTube channel helped me to share with you all the projects that I'm doing at home, and share with you all the talent that God gave me to share with you, and teach a lot of people how to do stuff around their home, no matter what you are. A stay-home mom, I chose to be a stay-home mom to take care of my family, and on the side I do braids and also paint furniture to sell on the side to bring in some income to help the family too. So if you're a stay-home mom and you want to do that too, there's a lot of side hustles you can do around to help yourself and also help the family, just grow your beautiful family. So that's what I do. This is what I do. So this is part of my side hustle too. When I don't have any clients to do, I do braid, like I do the wigs, so I can sell it to clients or other people who can order and make, so I can make their wigs. So I've been doing this for a while. I've been doing hair for a long time. I'm not gonna tell you how long I've been doing hair, so you guys can guess my age, but it's okay. So if you're new to my channel, before I go any further, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for coming today to watch this amazing video that I'm working, the amazing project that I've been working on for the past week. As you can see me, I'm rambling, but sorry. The amazing project I've been working on for the past week. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I want to be part of my amazing, beautiful YouTube family. Just don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I post a new video, you will be notified. And to all my beautiful YouTube family, my supporters, my biggest cheerleaders, thank you so much for being part of my family. Thank you for being part of this amazing journey with me, and I really appreciate you all. Please don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell if you haven't, so when I post a new video, you will be notified. And please help me share this video with your family and friends, and leave me a comment down below and let your girl know how she is doing. It really inspired me to come up with all these beautiful projects. So just leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, any concerns, or any ideas that you can share with me. I'll be glad to receive them with my big heart. I have to do on the low side, I can't. Anyway, I'll be glad to receive the ideas and see how I can work to improve myself. I really appreciate you all. May the blessings of God be with you all on this Christmas season. I hope you all will celebrate this Christmas, this joyful moment with your family, and I pray that the joy and the peace of God will be upon you and your family and will be the center of your home. Like I said, I'll stand up and show you how this week is looking at the end of the video. So thank you so much. Let me just stop talking and show you how I made this amazing video. I'll see you guys in a little bit. which I will not do. I like to have my hair up. If I want to put it up, I can put it up, like hold it in a ponytail, because I like doing this all the time. If I want, I can let it down. Just go with the vibe. This is what it's looking like. Look at that. Guys, look at that. Just look. It's really look like my own hair braided cornrows. Can you see that? I'm trying to bend as much as I can so you can see. Look at the back. Just look at the back. Look at this. Look at this. Let me show you something. Like I said, I am super excited about this wig. Look at this. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere, and it's not glued, as you can see. I did not glue it, but it's just, it is beautiful. You don't need glue, you don't need anything, seriously. Look at that. What do you all think? Leave a comment down below, like I said earlier, to let your girl know how she did this time. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is your girl Dixie saying bye. Till next time.